Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see the best and the top zombie survival games available in Roblox. If you love playing the zombie games or you just want to try it with your friends, in this video I'm going to show you which are the best games that you can find on Roblox that are related to zombie. So first you have to open the Roblox, and then what you have to do is you will see the search bar on the top. Whatever game you want to play, you have to simply search for it. So for the zombies, just search for the zombies and all the related games will come there. Now if you want to find the best one, for that you have to look on two options. First, the rating, like how better rating this game has got. If the rating is good, that means this game is the best. And also number of plays, like how many people have played it. So if the game has a lot of number of plays and also a good rating, like a percentage, that shows that game is wonderful and to be considered as the best zombie game that you can play. So you just have to simply find and search for zombie. You will get these game. Check out their rating and the number of downloads. If both are high, then you can definitely try it out because this one will be the best game that you can play. Then you can open the game of the best rating and start playing it. So that's how you will be able to find the best zombie games in Roblox. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.